Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve FIFA mobile lag. To know how to fix or how to solve FIFA mobile lag, you should just go to settings. Then this page, you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will search about FIFA mobile and you will click here in this window. Then in this list of app info, you will enter to first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click storage in this window. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to your Wi-Fi. You will click here and you can wait 3 seconds. You can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix FIFA mobile lag. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.